For this Google Classroom, we're going to be measuring in centimeters. So you have a picture up here at the top, and you have a ruler that has both inches and centimeters on it. You're going to be using the top side that has the abbreviation cm, that means centimeters. Each of these centimeter pictures is rounded to the nearest centimeter, so don't worry about half or quarter centimeters. Just go to the nearest centimeter. What you're going to do is you're going to look at the picture and you're going to measure how long that picture is. Now remember that your picture should be matched up to the 0 and you should go all the way to the edge of your picture. So if I look here at this camera, how many centimeters long is that camera? I see it stops at 8. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to double click on the question mark, and I'm going to use my keyboard to type in 8. There are a bunch of those, and there are some that go up and down too. It's the same idea. Now if you come down to number 12 and the ones after 12, you'll see that these are not lined up with the ruler, but that your ruler, you can move it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it up with the edge of my picture. See, it has 0. I'm going to line it up right there. And then I'm going to see how long my picture is. And I look over here and I see that that is 12 centimeters. So I'm going to go to my question mark, double click, and I'm going to type in 12 on my keyboard. There are some of these that go up and down as well. Same thing, you're going to just click and drag, line it up, and then round to the nearest centimeter. This one happens to be 12 too. So I'm going to double click and type in 12. When you're all done, make sure you turn it in.